Hello my friends, my name is Delon Duen Leong. You can call me Delon. I'm a student at Rumah Belajar Bersama, a place to study English, Arabic, and mathematics. Learn reading and writing for kids, recite Quran, etc. I live in Bulukumba, Regency, South Sulawesi Province, Indonesia. I have lived here since I was a child. Now I'm a grade at Junior High School 1 Bulukumba. My hobbies are playing badminton, playing football, and playing billiard. That's all about me. Let's start. Chapter 6, Exercise 31, Singular forms of other. Chart 6 for 14, Directions. Complete the sentences with another or the other. 1. There are two birds in drawing A. One is an eagle, the other is a chicken. 2. There are three birds in drawing B. One is an eagle, another one is a chicken, the other bird is a crow. 3. There are many kinds of birds in the world. One kind is an eagle, one kind is a chicken, another kind is a crow, the other kind is a seagull. What is the name of the other kind of bird in the world? I have two brothers. One is named Nick, another is named Mart. 5. There are 5 names on this list. One is Adam, another is Greg, another is Nick, another one of the names is Eric. Another name on the list, the last of the 5 is Jessica. 6. It rained yesterday, and from the look of those are clothes. We are going to have the other rainstorm today. 7. Nicole and Michelle are identical twins. The best way to tell them apart is by looking at their ears. One of them has pierced ears and another doesn't. 8. Of the 50 states in the United States, 49 are located on the North American continent. Where is the other located? 9. France borders on several countries. One is Spain, another is Italy. Okay, next. Exercise 33, Plural forms of others. Chart 6 for 15. Directions. Complete the sentences with other or the others. 1. There are many kinds of animals in the world. The elephant is one kind. Some others are tigers, horses, and wolves. 2. There are many kinds of animals in the world. The elephant is one kind. Some other kinds are tiger, horses, and wolves. 3. There are 3 colors in the US flag. One of the color is red. The others are white and blue. 4. There are 3 colors in the US flag. One of the color is red. The other colors are white and blue. 5. There are 4 birds in the picture. One is an eagle and another one is a crow. The other birds in the picture are chickens. 6. There are 4 birds in the picture. One is an eagle and another one is a crow. The others are chickens. 7. There are 4 seasons. Spring and summer are 2. The others are fall and winter. 8. Spring and summer are 2 of the 4 seasons. The other seasons are fall and winter. 9. There are many kinds of geometric figures. Some are circles, other figures are squares, still the others are rectangles. 10. There are 4 geometric figures in the above drawing. One is a square, the other figures are a rectangle, a circle, and a triangle. 11. Of the 4 geometric figures in the drawing, only the circle has sharp lines. The others have straight lines. 12. Birds have different eating habits. Some birds eat insects. Other birds get their food chiefly from plants. Others eat only fish. Others hunt small animals like mice and rabbits. Other birds prefer dead and rotting flesh. 13. There were 10 questions on the test. 7 of them were easy. The other 3 were really hard. Any question is easy if you know the answer. 7 of the questions were easy for you because you had studied for them. The others were hard because you hadn't studied for them. 14. Many people like to get up very early in the morning. Others like to sleep until noon. 15. What do you do when you're feeling lonely? I go someplace where I can be around other people. Even if they are strangers, I feel better when there are others around me. How about you? That doesn't work for me. For example, if I'm feeling lonely and I go to a movie by myself, I look at all the other people who are there with their friends and family, and I start to feel even lonelier. So I try to find other things to do to keep myself busy. If I am busy, I don't feel lonely.
Apa itu basi?
Busy, I don't feel lonely. Next, exercise 34. Forms of other charts 6 for 12 and charts 6 for 16. Directions. Complete the sentence with correct forms of other, another, other, others. The other, the others. 1. Jack has only 2 sweets, a blue one and a gray one. His wife wants him to buy another one. 2. Jack has 2 sweets. One is blue and another is gray. 3. Some sweets are blue, the other are gray. 4. Some sweets have 2 buttons. Other sweets have 3 buttons. 5. Some people keep dogs as pets. The other have cats. Still, other people have fish or birds as pets. Can you name the other kinds of animals that people keep for pets? 6. When I was a kid, I had 2 pets. One was a black dog, another was an orange cat. 7. When I walked into the classroom on the first day, the room was empty. I sat down at a desk and wondered if I was in the right room. Soon another student came and took a seat. Then a few the other followed and the room slowly began to fill. 8. My boyfriend gave me a ring. I tried to put it on my ring finger, but it didn't fit, so I had to put it on the other finger. 9. People have 2 thumbs. One is on the right hand, another is on the left hand. 10. There are 5 letters in the word fresh. On one of the letter is a vowel. The others are consonants. 11. Smith is a common last name in English. Other common names are Johnson, Jones, Miller, Anderson, More, and Brown. Next, exercise 35. Forms of others. Charts 6 for 12 and charts 6 for 16. Directions. Complete the sentences with your own words. Use a form of other in the blanks. If you write the complete sentence, underline the forms of other. Example, I have books on my desk. On is and is are. Answer, I have 3 books on my desk. One is a grammar book and the others are my dictionary and a science book. 1. I have 2 favorite colors. One is red, the other is blue. 2. Some students walk to school, others. 3. Ted drank, but he was still thirsty, so another one. 4. I speak English language. One is I speak two languages. One is Indonesian and the other is English. 5. Some people and another. I have sisters, brothers, and or cousins. One is and others is. 7. One of my teachers is, the other is. One of the students in my class from, other students are from. There are many popular sports in the world. One is badminton, the other is billiard, others are football. Next, exercise 36. Error analysis. Summary review of nouns and pronouns. Chapter 6. Directions, correct the errors. 1. The fairy godmother told the boy to make 3 wishes. 2. I had some black bean soup for lunch. They were very good. 3. The highways in my country are excellent. 4. My mother and father work in Milan. Their teachers. 5. Today, many women are miner, pilot, and doctor. 6. My wife likes our kind of flowers. 7. We often read story in class and try to understand all the new words. I cannot remember all of them. There are 2 pools at the park. One is for children. The another is for adults only. 9. My brother has an apples orchard trees. 10. The windows in our classroom are dirty. 11. In addition on the news about the flood, I heard some other important news this morning. 12. The populations of my hometown in 1975 were about 50,000. Today, they are more than 150,000. 13. I don't like my apartment. It's in a bad neighborhood. It's trashing on both sides of the street. I'm going to move to other neighborhood. 14. Every people need an education. With a good education, people can improve their lives. 15. Alice, when she was a child, lived in a very little town in the north of Brazil. Today is a very big city with many buildings and large highways. Next, chapter 7. Modal auxiliaries. Exercise 1. Preview modal auxiliaries. Chapter 7. Directions. Complete the sentences with to if possible. If not, write 0. Discuss the meanings of the helping verbs in italics. I've made a terrible mistake. I put the wrong number in my report. My report shows that the company made lots of money. But the truth is we lost money. What am I going to do? Should I tell the boss about the accounting error? Of course, you have to tell her that error could get the company in big trouble. I know that I ought to be honest about it, but I'm afraid she will get angry. She might fire me. Would you go with me to see her? I think you had better to do this yourself. You can do it. I'm sure the boss will understand. You have got to be brave. No, you must go with me. I cannot face her alone. Next, exercise 2. The form of modal auxiliaries. Chart 7 for 1. Directions. Add 2 where necessary. If not 2 is necessary, write 0.
Necessary.
Necessary, write 0. 1. I have to go downtown tomorrow. Tom must see his dentist. Could you please open the window? May I borrow your pen? A good book can be a friend for life. I ought to go to the post office this afternoon. Jimmy is yawning and rubbing his eyes. He must be sleepy. I have got to go to the post office this afternoon. Shouldn't you save a little money for a rainy day? Poor Edward, he has to go to the hospital for an operation. Alex, stop. You must not run into the street when there's traffic. Next, exercise 3. Error analysis. The form of modal auxiliaries. Chart 7 for 1. Directions. Correct the errors. 1. Can you help me please? 2. I must studying for an exam tomorrow. Answer, I must study for an exam tomorrow. 3. We couldn't went to the party last night. Answer, we couldn't go to the party last night. 4. I have to improve my English as soon as possible. Answer, I have to improve my English as soon as possible. 5. You shouldn't to spend all your free time at the computer. Answer, you shouldn't spend all your free time at the computer. 6. My mother cannot speak English, but she can speak several other languages. Answer, my mother cannot speak English, but she can speak several other languages. Next, exercise 4. Expressing ability. Can and cannot. Chart 7 for 2. Directions. Complete the sentences with can and cannot. 1. A cat can climb trees, but it cannot fly. 2. A fish cannot walk, but it can swim. 3. A dog can bark, but it cannot sing. 4. A teeny baby can cry, but it cannot talk. 5. You can store water in a glass jar, but you cannot store it in a paper bag. 6. You cannot drive from the Philippines to Australia, but you can drive from Italy to Australia. Next, exercise 8. Ability, possibility, and permission. Can, may, and might. Charts 7 for 2 and charts 7 for 3. Directions. Complete the sentences with can, may, or might. Use the negative as appropriate. Identify the meaning expressed by the modals. Ability, possibility, or permission. 1. I can play only one musical instrument, the piano. I cannot play a guitar. 2. Tommy, you can stay up until 8 tonight, but you cannot stay up past that time. 3. What are you going to do this evening? I don't know. I may stay home, or I might go over to Anita's house. 4. What are you going to order? I don't know. I can have the tofu pasta. 5. Would you like some more food? No, thanks. I cannot eat another bite. I'm full. 6. Is it okay if I have a piece of candy, Mom? No, but you might have an orange. 7. Which of these oranges is sweet? I like only sweet orange. How should I know? I cannot tell if an orange is sweet just by looking at it. Can you? Here, try this one. It may be sweet enough for you. If it isn't, put some sugar on it. 8. May I have everyone's attention? The test is about to begin. If you need to leave the room during the examination, Please raise your hand. You cannot leave the room without permission. Are there any questions? No. Then you can open your test booklets and begin. 9. What channel is the news special on tonight? I'm not sure. It may be on channel 7. Try that one first. By practicing English every day, I'm sure we can be fluent soon because it really helps us to understand more. See you next reading. I'm Delon. We are the future of the world. Miss you all, rumah belajar bersama. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.